Menopause is a natural phase of life, but for many Indian women, it can feel overwhelming. Anxiety, fatigue, hot flashes, joint pain, and mood swings can affect daily life. But did you know that diet, lifestyle, and most importantly, emotional well being play a huge role in easing menopause? Hi everyone, I'm your homeopathy doctor. Today, we are going to cover everything from why menopause happens, natural foods that help, and mental health impact of menopause. Let's dive in. So, why does menopause happen? Menopause happens because hormone levels start dropping after a particular age in women. These hormones are estrogen and progesterone. Now, since your estrogen levels drop, there is an increased risk of cardiac disease, an increased risk of osteoporosis. This is due to the decrease in bone density. Sleep disturbances due to changes in melatonin, urinary incontinence, that is loss of bladder control, mood swings and weight gain due to hormonal imbalance. In India, menopause starts around 47 years of age, earlier than the average age of 51 years in the US. Why? Diet, climate, genetics, lifestyle are the most common factors. Here's what Indian women report as their most common symptoms. 80% feel more anxious and irritable, 71% feel mentally and physically exhausted, while only 36% have hot flashes, which is the most common menopausal symptom. Did you notice something? In Western countries, hot flashes are the biggest issue. But in India, it's mostly mental health struggles, exhaustion, and joint pains. Let's talk about why this happens and how to talk about some natural foods that help during menopause. Our diet can make or break our menopause experience. These superfoods help balance hormones naturally. Number 1. Flax seeds and sesame seeds. These are rich in phytoestrogens that mimic the estrogen in the body. Number 2. Ragi and moringa. We all know that moringa is a superfood that strengthens bones. It helps with menopause and reduces joint pain with calcium and vitamin D. Number 3. Ashwagandha and shatavari. These are Ayurvedic adaptogens that reduce stress and balance hormones. Number 4. Soy products like tofu and soya chunks. These improve hot flashes and mood swings. Number 5. Leafy greens and nuts. These are packed with magnesium and iron for energy and mental clarity. Number 6. Turmeric and ginger. These reduce inflammation and joint pain. Number 7. Coconut water and herbal teas. These keep you cool and prevent bloating, which is a very common menopausal symptom. Finally, let's talk about mental health and menopause. Menopause is not just about physical symptoms. It definitely affects your mental health. In India, 80% of women report increased stress, irritability, and sadness during menopause. But do you know what makes it worse? It's the lack of emotional support. If your husband, children, or your family don't acknowledge your struggles, it makes menopause very hard. A simple hug, understanding words, or helping with daily tasks can make such a huge difference. Yes, there are so many men today that step up and help their women during this difficult phase of life. But then there are so many more men who are uneducated about menopause and treat hormonal changes as a mere joke, using casual remarks to make fun of their wife's deep struggles. If you are a husband, a son, a brother, or just a man, do remember your support means a lot to the women in your life. You have the power to make this phase of life smooth and easy for them. How can you do this? Practice active listening. Be more involved in their life. Most importantly, if you are a husband, talk lovingly to your wife. Let them know that you care, because that will single-handedly change everything for her and for you as well. And now for the women, you deserve to feel good during menopause. Here's how to take care of your mental health. Number 1. Prioritize self-care. Take time for yoga, meditation, or simply relaxing. Set boundaries. Say no to overwhelming responsibilities. Number 3. Talk to a friend or be a part of a support group. Don't bottle up your emotions. Journaling, gratitude, and practice. This helps shift focus from stress to positivity. Lastly, engage in hobbies. Painting, reading, or gardening. Whatever you want, it can be therapeutic and become your escape in times of distress. Menopause is not an illness. It's a new beginning, a new chapter of life. With the right nutrition and emotional support, you can transition smoothly and feel your best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your loved ones, especially the men in your family, and subscribe for more holistic health tips. Thank you and see you soon.